Oh, it's gone.
Okay. Spencer in the house. Taking him on a detour. Go in the kitchen.
Yeah, horsey in the kitchen.
Come on, baby.
He's so cute. Baby. Baby.
She doesn't know what to do.
Come here. He's itchy.
You still recording?
Yeah. Spency.
Stand by the pool.
He won't fit through the door.
Here you go. Okay. Come on. This way. Okay.
Oh, oh baby.
Come on.
He's like, whoa. Are you gonna make him get in it?
Yeah, just the top part.
I think that's too big of a step.
Nah. Come on, baby.
I really think it is.
I don't know if he'll go in the water though.
Don't, because we're gonna have to take him back inside.
No, we can walk.
Oh, we can go around that way. Come on, baby. He's like, I don't know about this. No!
Are you okay?
He's okay. It just...
Pony in the water. Pony in the water.
Clean off his feet.
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Oh, look at him. He's scared now.
Sorry. So sorry. I didn't know you were gonna do that.
I told you it's too big of a step.
Fuck, step on my shoes. You dick.
Aw.
You still recording?
Yeah. Spencer, come here. Come here. Come here, baby. That halter's so big on him. Aw. And that was Spencer in the house.